was negligent in the way they designed and operated their platform. They found that Meta failed to give what a reasonable company should give as warnings, and they found that Meta's failure to operate their platform in a reasonably prudent fashion and to warn in a reasonably prudent fashion was a direct cause, substantial contributing factor to harming Kaylee to the tune of $3 million, which is not a rounding error. Then they had a set of questions on YouTube. YouTube's defenses that they were just TV were shunned by the jury, and the jury said that YouTube, Google, failed to operate YouTube in a reasonable fashion. And it's their failure to operate it in a reasonable fashion that held YouTube accountable as well. The jury also said that YouTube failed to give reasonable warnings. So after the jury did that and assessed the damages of $3 million, the jury then at that point answered the question of what percentage of responsibility is there on the two companies based upon the conduct as Kaylee experienced it. And they put 70% on Meta. They put 30% on YouTube. Then they gave findings that both of them acted in ways that constitute conduct that should be punished. And these issues were by and large on a 10-2 vote for most of them. We had 10-2 almost all the way down. And so what do we have now? Now we've got a punishment phase. We put the net worth of both companies in front of the jury. And then having put that net worth there, the lawyers had 20 minutes per side to argue. And we've done that argument, and now the jury goes back to make a decision of whether or not it's appropriate to put a financial fine, a punitive damage figure on this case. And that's what we're waiting for now. And once we get that finding, the jury will be discharged. The judge has indicated she will probably visit with the jury herself, and then she would like some of the lawyers to visit with those jurors who want to stay and visit with lawyers. Then and only then do we come out and are we able to visit with you.
Be sure to like and subscribe for all the Fox News latest on YouTube and catch full shows streaming now on Fox 1.